Main features are Richard Mille RM3001 Le Mans Classic is a limited edition timepiece celebrating the 2025 Le Mans Classic, a biennial vintage car race held from July 3 to 6. Limited to 150 pieces. Case. The RM3001 typically features Richard Mille's signature tonneau-shaped, barrel-shaped case. For the Le Mans Classic Edition, the case is constructed with titanium bezels sandwiching a vibrant green quartz TPT caseband. This layered composite material, unique to Richard Mille, is incredibly light and strong, and its distinctive striations are visually captivating. The dimensions are approximately 42.00 by 49.94 by 14.15 millimeters. Dial. The highly skeletonized dial is a visual spectacle, designed to evoke the layout of a racing circuit with its intricate titanium bridges and baseplate. Colors. It incorporates the signature green and white colors of the Le Mans Classic event with additional orange accents. 24-hour counter. A key feature is the newly added 24-hour counter at 2 o'clock, specifically for this Le Mans Classic Edition. The 16 numeral on this counter is shaded in green, a subtle yet meaningful nod to the traditional 4 p.m. green flag start time of the 24 hours of Le Mans race. Oversized date. A semi-instantaneous oversized date display is located at 4 o'clock, framed by a checkered flag motif. Power reserve indicator. A power reserve indicator is prominently displayed, often shaped like a section of a racetrack, indicating the remaining 55-hour power reserve. Caseback. A sapphire crystal caseback allows a view of the intricate movement and features the official Le Mans Classic logo, further cementing its commemorative nature.